Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. So today we'll be designing this simple flyer. It's actually a basic flyer, so I'll be walking us through how I got it and how you can create your own, and also I'll be dropping the free PSD file for you to use. So sit back, relax and learn. Thank you. So first of all, I'll create a new layer which I've already created. Create a new page. Now let me use this background that I brought in, so I can bring in my background here, paste it like this. You can see I added a little bit of Gaussian blur to my background. And how do you get Gaussian blur? You come to your filter, to your filter, to your blur, and to your Gaussian blur. It's very simple as that, and it's very easy. You can do that. And the next thing you will do is bring in your flare. Now this is actually another color entirely, but I added hue and saturation to make it my preferred color. So let me bring this here. I'll show you how I got this. Let me paste it right here, something like this. You can see this is looking like a red flare. It is matching this color here. Now if I do something like this, you can see it has already changed color also. Change color, different colors, different variations. So this is actually a normal image. You can see if I change to normal, you can see it's looking somehow here, but if I change it to linear dot add, it will look more bright that way. So that's exactly how I got this particular design background. So the next thing we will do is bring in our other images, which is the lady image. You can see the lady image. You can bring in lady image also if you want to. Lady image is right here. Oh, sorry, Ctrl C. Sorry, it's taking a little while to load. Ctrl C here. Sorry, I think I opened too many files, so it's not really trying. It's not really helpful. Oh, sorry, I think I pasted the wrong file. Let me explain to you here to make it faster and shorter. You can see this design here. This is a lady image. If I turn off all this, you can decide to turn off all this. Turn off all this. Sorry. Turn off all this. You will see. So this is just the basics of what I'm doing. So you can see this lady image right here. I actually highlighted out these glasses, so I made these glasses to the color to blend into all this. You can see it has changed color. I used my quick selection tool here to bring it out, then I duplicated it to get this particular one. Very simple and straightforward. Then also you can see this background right here. You can see all this background. This is normal 18 plus. You just bring it in and place it on your image. You can see all this text. You can try to play around it and work around it. It's very simple and straightforward. You can add fonts. You can always decide to add your light to it too. It's quite okay too. You can add light to it, add anything you want to add to it to make your design very okay and presentable. So what I did here next, okay, let me explain how I got this text to you. This is a 3D text that I got online, so you can actually work with it. You can see this is Friday vibes. It's just a 3D text that I used to blend into this design. Then this background also, these are Gaussian blur effects too. Backgrounds like Gaussian blur effects, just to make it look so bright and sharp. Then I added Topaz Lab effect filter. You can see Topaz Lab adjustment layer, Topaz Lab 4. To get this Topaz Lab, you will go to YouTube and search for Topaz Lab plugin. You will get the directions there. So it's very simple and straightforward. So that was exactly how I got this. So if you have any questions, please do well to ask in the comment section and watch the video for the password.